So I found this hike on All Trails called Hiker's Ridge. It's just outside the port right here. It's about a little over a 2-mile hike. There's only 2 reviews on it though. One of them is a 5-star review saying that the views are awesome, and the other one is a 1-star review saying that you just walk past locals' houses. So out here trying to see if this is going to be a good hike. So the start is going through the city of Coxen Hole, and then I kept following the road and actually went past where you're supposed to turn off to the right. And you turn off kind of next to a church, and it's basically like going through people's backyards, kind of like the 1-star review so far. So hopefully it gets a little bit better, but this is basically what we're looking at. And it came from that way. This is the way it tells you to go. On the trail, as you start coming up the hill, it's pretty hard to see, but it goes off kind of in the woods here. As you can see, there's a fence in the way. So I think I found where I went wrong. You come up this road. I first passed all this, and then it looks like it takes you to the side here. It's actually just this little trail entrance off the road right here. So it's a lot of uphill at the beginning. As you can see, there's some decent views so far. Nothing too much. Kind of through the trees here, you'll get quick glances of Coxen Hole. Well, that's about it so far. Now we're starting to get some better views. You can see the cruise ship in the background there. So it's getting better. Look at this cutie right here. That's the little guy. Hi, buddy. Must be the protector of the property. Come here. You're okay. Oh. Once you start getting higher, you actually get to some zip lines. Might be another fun excursion to do. We'll check that out later. Not quite to the top yet, but I'm pretty sure the majority of this trail is meant to get up to this power line here, or the cell tower, or whatever it is. It does say to get back, at least the trail says to go this way. It's only really cut down to like right there. So that's probably going to be a no-go for me. There was a trail that kind of split off to the right, down where the zip lines were. So I might try that one back down. We'll see, but this is supposed to be like the end of the trail, kind of up here. And as you can see, the views are getting a lot better. So this is the end of the All Trails trail. Comes right up here. Looks like it was probably their old radio tower. There are some nice views. You can see all the way out to the ocean, even over the other side. You can see Coxen Hole and some of the cities down here. The trail does keep going. It goes basically into the woods back there. And I ran back there quick just to see if maybe it ended there, and it just keeps going. So I'm guessing it probably just goes down the other side of the hill over there through some neighborhoods and eventually connects up to a main road and the ocean over there, but I really don't know. So let's start going back down, and hopefully that new right I want to take pans out. So this is pretty dense where the turnoff is, where I want to go right back down. I mean, there's kind of a trail here, probably like it used to be a trail and the usable zip line, but not anymore. So I think I'm just gonna keep this as an out and back trail. I think this is the best view here. It's like maybe 3/4 of the way up. You can see the cruise ship and the ocean here. It's just gorgeous. Honestly, the video doesn't really do its justice. So I'm back to the port here. It's about 2 miles for the whole thing, just over like 2.2. I did go a little off course, which you'll see, so I'll probably add it on a little bit. But it's also just under 600 feet of elevation gain. So I think the average person, it'd be pretty good for, but it could be a little bit more difficult to climb. Overall, it's pretty good. Had nice views. It's a nice, quick, free getaway. I'd probably rate it like a 4 out of 5 star on all trails.